In today's video, we're going to put liners in this 48N. Also applies to the 9N and 2N. If you missed our last video, we took the liners out. Go back and check that out real quick. Very simple job. Should have put them both in one video. Go check that one out. If you like it, we've got a lot more videos coming. We're going to do some wiring on this 8N, show you how to do a 12 volt conversion. We've got some wheel seals to do. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Okay, it's January here in Michigan. We put these liners in the freezer for a couple days, get them nice and cold. It's probably in the 20s outside, so my garage was a little cool. We have it warm now, but we're going to take the torch, warm up the block a little bit. Hopefully those liners are going to slide right in. So hopefully, we'll see how well that goes here. Let's get to it. One thing you're going to want to make sure of, be in mind, you don't want any ridges or edges inside that bore. That's going to make this really difficult to go in. The other thing you're going to want, I bought this, if you saw in the last video, as a puller. I think I'm going to try and use that to drive the liners in, try and preserve that top. You can probably use a wooden board with a rag on it. You'll just want to be a little bit careful. But I think that'll work. You can buy these on eBay. Got that little ridge there that should slide right into that cylinder liner. Get a nice even hit on it. The other thing, you're not going to want to mess around. When this is hot, those liners are so thin, they're going to get up to temperature really quick. So you're going to want to grab them out of the freezer and get them right in, one at a time. I've got mine sitting in a snowbank right outside the door right now. If you're in Tennessee, probably not going to work for you. You're going to want to keep them in the freezer. Okay, let's grab one and give it a shot. I am going to put a little spray lubricant on this. I think that'll help along. We got the plastic off. It was kind of a little bit of a pain, not really. Just take a little carb cleaner or something and spray on it. It'll wipe right off. There you go, boys. Doesn't get any easier than that. Make sure this edge, this ridge right here, is not protruding above the deck. So you just want to be really careful right there. It's going to mess up your head otherwise. Just like that, downtown. Let's get the other 4 in. The other 3 in, sorry. Woo! That one was a little tighter. Gotta tell you, that one made me a little bit more nervous. 2 to go. Let's do it. There you have it, boys. We got 4 liners in. We're going to move on to the pistons. Have a good week. We'll catch up with you next week from the tractor shed.